Hey everyone! In today's video, we're looking at the 5 best electric screwdrivers for fast and easy repairs. Whether you're tackling home projects or handling quick fixes on the go, these tools are designed to make your life easier. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. And do let me know in the comment section which electric screwdriver you like. The most, please hit the like button to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's get started. Number 5. UF Tools Electric Screwdriver. The UF Tools 58-in-1 electric screwdriver set is an excellent precision tool for small-scale repairs. Designed with a 3.7V input voltage and a 350 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, it's perfect for repairing mobile phones, watches, and other delicate electronics. With a charging time of less than 70 minutes, it's ready for quick use, and the LED indicator lights help you know when it's fully charged. This tool has an impressive idling speed of 200 rotations per minute, making it efficient and smooth for minor repairs. The manual torque of 3 Nm and electric torque of 0.25-0.35 Nm provide flexibility for both electric and manual modes, ensuring precision in every task. When fully charged, it runs continuously for up to 1 hour, with a standby time of 30 days. The kit comes with a gray aluminum alloy handle, a charging cable, and multiple useful accessories like a crowbar, degausser, and card removal needle. This set is built to last, with a sleek aluminum oxide finish for durability. The UF Tools Electric Screwdriver set is a must-have for anyone looking to perform accurate, small-scale repairs with ease. Number 4. Galacok Electric Screwdriver. The Galacok 68-in-1 electric screwdriver set, a powerful and versatile tool for all your electronic repair needs. This set features 5 torque settings, ranging from high torque at 0.35 Nm to low torque at 0.25 Nm, with a manual torque option of 3 Nm. This flexibility makes it ideal for delicate tasks on PCs, consoles, laptops, and cameras. One standout feature is the innovative screw magnetization device. This technology ensures that screws and screwdrivers connect instantly and securely, making your work smoother and more efficient. No more fumbling around for screws in tight spaces. The magnetic storage case is another highlight. It keeps everything organized with a satisfying pop-up mechanism. With 64 precision bits across 10 categories, including Torx, Phillips, and flatheads, you have all the tools needed in one compact package. The rechargeable battery offers impressive performance, capable of operating for up to 400 screws on a single charge. The LED indicator shows the power level, while the Type-C port allows for quick and convenient recharging. The Galacok 68-in-1 electric screwdriver set is an essential toolkit for anyone looking to tackle repairs with ease. Number 3. Xiaomi Mijia Electric Screwdriver. The Xiaomi Mijia Electric Screwdriver, a compact and powerful tool designed for home use. With a 3.6V rated voltage and a maximum torque of 5 Nm, this screwdriver handles various tasks with ease. Weighing only 350 grams and measuring 124 by 130.5 by 42 mm, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. The screwdriver features a robust 2000 mAh battery, providing enough power for around 180 screws on a single charge. With a no-load speed of 200 R/min, it tackles installations quickly. The innovative Type-C charging port allows for efficient charging within 120 to 180 minutes. Equipped with 12 S2 steel bits and a 60 mm extension rod, this tool adapts to different applications, even in tight spaces. The ring LED light automatically illuminates when in use, ensuring visibility in dim conditions. The Xiaomi Mijia electric screwdriver combines advanced technology and user-friendly design. It's an essential addition to any toolkit, making home repairs easier and more efficient. Number 2. Worx Electrical Screwdriver. The Worx WX242-4V Electrical Screwdriver Set, a versatile tool designed for home DIY enthusiasts. This cordless electric screwdriver is packed with features, making it an essential addition to your toolbox. With a maximum torque of 8 Nm, it can easily handle various tasks, from assembling furniture to hanging pictures. What sets this model apart is its brushless motor, which enhances efficiency and prolongs battery life. It's USB rechargeable, ensuring that you can power it up with ease, so you're always ready for your next project. The included 30-bit set covers a wide range of applications, allowing you to tackle different screw types without hassle. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold, while the smart features add to its usability. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced DIYer, the WX242 is designed to simplify your work. It's perfect for various tasks around the house, ensuring you get the job done efficiently and effectively. The Worx WX242 is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to make home improvements. Its powerful performance, smart design, and user-friendly features make it a reliable companion for your DIY projects. Consider adding this tool to your collection today. Number 1. AOMAX Electric Screwdriver. The ARROWMAX 70-in-1 Mini Electric Screwdriver. A powerful tool designed for precision in phone, camera, laptop, and watch repairs. This smart electric screwdriver is engineered to simplify your repair jobs with advanced features. With a redesigned circuit board and a stronger motor, it boasts an impressive torque force that has doubled from 2.0 to 4.0 kgf/cm. Users will appreciate the 5 adjustable torque modes, allowing for tailored performance based on the task at hand. Additionally, the dual-button design facilitates easy toggling between clockwise and anti-clockwise actions. This screwdriver is equipped with a 500 mAh LiPo battery, which offers 40% higher capacity than its competitors, ensuring prolonged use. The compact design is both ergonomic and portable. Weighing only 62 grams and measuring 160 millimeters in height, it fits comfortably in hand without rolling off the workbench. Plus, the magnetic charging stand offers convenience, allowing for quick and safe recharging during lengthy repair sessions. The ARROWMAX Mini Electric Screwdriver is an excellent addition to any toolkit. Its efficiency, advanced torque settings, and user-friendly features make it a must-have for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike.
There was one